In this video, we will learn about how we can get top subcategories per category. So here you can see we have product categories, and then we have product subcategories, and here the third column will contain the total number of products per subcategory, and we need to know the top two subcategories per category. In the above picture, you can see we have one category bikes, and bikes contain three subcategories. And these are the different number of products that are available in this subcategory, and we need to display top two subcategory for each category. For this product, bikes, we should display like road bikes. This is the topmost because this category contains highest amount of products, and then the second will be mountain bikes, and in the same way in the components and all the other categories that are available in the dataset. In the below image, you can see the required output. So we need to display the categories, and then for each category we need to display top two subcategories. For the bikes, these are the top two subcategory. For the component, clothing, accessories, so for all the available categories, we need to display top two subcategories, and the subcategory should be based on the total number of products available for that subcategory. So let's go to the Power Query editor. For this example, we need product category, subcategory, and product table. Let's combine these three tables with each other. So we need to click on the merge query as new product category, and then we need product subcategories. This is the primary key, and this one is the foreign key. Then we need inner join. Okay, and here we can rename categories subcategories. Here you can see one table that contains the information about the product subcategories. So we can remove the unnecessary columns. And now try to add product. Now we need to join with the product table. Again, merge query as new. Before merging, we need subcategory keys. For this, we have to take a product subcategory key and the English product subcategory name. Here we can write subcategories, and now try to merge as new. Products, and we need product subcategory and inner join. Okay, and this will be the final table. So top subcategory, this is the name of the table. So now we have product category, and we don't need this column, and we have product subcategory, and this is the table that contains the product information. And from the product table, we are interested only in the product key. So we need to add one column here. Add column. The product underscore key, and here we have to write select column, table.select column. So it needs the table. The table name is products. And then we are interested in the column product key. That's it. Click OK. So here you can see we are getting the product key column, and now we need to count the number of products for each subcategory. So we can do with the same step. Let's go to the setting, and here we have to add one more function, row count, table dot row count. That's it. Click OK. So here we got the number of products for every subcategory. Like mountain bikes we have 38, road bikes we have 65, cabs we have 3. So we can delete this column. Okay, so now we have category, subcategory and the product key, and now we need grouping on English product category. So need to click group by, and here we need English product category name, and we need all the rows against each category. So need to click OK, and here you can see bikes, components, clothing and accessories, and this column count. This column contains a subcategory and product key, and if we click at the component, so here you can see we are getting, let me zoom it. So here you can see we are getting 14, 3, 1, then 40. So how we can get the top products? First we need to sort this table, and once it will be sorted, then we can get the top 2, 3 or any number that you want. So now we need to sort this table. Every table we need to sort, and so how we can do that? We need to add one more column, add column and custom column, and here we have to add product table. This is the name of the column, and we need here sort table dot sort. And the name of the table is a count. So this is the name of the table. Which column we need to sort this? So it will be, I think, custom. That's it. Click OK. It's a product underscore key. Product underscore key. So here you can see, if I click here, it is order in ascending order, right? Everything is in ascending, and we need to do this order by descending. So let's go to the setting, and here if I try to add the third parameter, it is not possible, because the table.sort only need two parameters. The first parameter is the table and the other parameter is the criteria. So we have to use here as a list, and first one is the product key, and the second one will be the criteria. It's a order function, order dot descending, this one, and close the curly bracket. So now we need to click OK. So here you can see 65, 38, 22, and then for the components it is 70, 40, 18 and so on. So now we are able to sort every table, and now the next function is we need to get the top two records. So how we can do that? We need to add one more column, custom column, and it is first table dot first n. This is the function, and it takes the first parameter is a table. This is the product table, and then we need that how many rows do we need. So this is the first 2 rows. Close it. Okay, and here you can see for the components we are getting 6538, and for the bikes we are getting 6538. For the components we are getting 7040, and if you look at the product table, so here you can see 7040, and in the clothing we have 16 and 9, and if I click here, the new column is a 16 and 9. So now the requirements is almost fulfilled. So what we need now, we need to remove this column, the product table, and we need to expand, and in this column we need subcategory and the product key. This is subcategory, and here is, you can rename it like product count. So for the bikes we are getting road bikes, mountain bikes, and the total number of products are 65 and 38, and the same way components, road frames, mountain frames. So this is the way we can get top products by sale or top products by count. We can do anything what we need